Fix Hisense portable AC common issues fast and easy. Hisense portable air conditioners are reliable but can face common issues. Knowing these problems helps you fix them fast. This saves time and keeps your room cool. Understanding symptoms makes troubleshooting easier. Here are some frequent issues and tips to solve them. Unit not cooling. The air conditioner runs but does not cool the room. Check if the filter is dirty or blocked. A clogged filter reduces airflow and cooling power. Also, make sure doors and windows are closed. Warm air entering stops cooling. Lastly, ensure the temperature setting is lower than the room temperature. Water leakage. Water leaks around the unit. This can happen if the drain hose is blocked. Clear any dirt or debris from the hose. Another cause is an overfilled water tank. Empty the tank regularly to avoid spills. Place the unit on a flat surface to prevent leaks too. Unusual noises. Strange sounds come from the air conditioner. Loose parts inside can cause rattling or banging. Tighten screws and check internal components. A dirty fan or motor can create buzzing noises. Clean the fan blades and motor area carefully. Remote control problems. The remote does not work or has weak signals. Replace the batteries with new ones. Make sure nothing blocks the remote sensor on the unit. Clean the sensor area gently to remove dust. If the remote still fails, try resetting the unit. Error codes. The unit shows error codes on the display. These codes point to specific problems. Check the user manual for code meanings. Common errors include sensor faults or drainage issues. Follow the manual's instructions to fix these errors quickly.